Barbecue fam, today we're doing up some smoked ham and cheese sliders on the char grill at 980. Oh hell yeah, check this out. So get your favorite slider rolls and get this thing ready. Poppy seeds are the big star of the show for presentation wise, and so butter, onion, poppy seeds, a little bit of mustard, get that melted and whisk that around while you're putting together your sliders. And these sliders, you're going to cut usually they come all attached, so you cut it in half. You're gonna hit one side Miracle Whip. Oh, I just broke the law. And the other side with your favorite mayonnaise. And then you're gonna build them up with your ham, which is already cooked when you buy it from the store. Any kind of ham that you want, how much you want, go to town. And whatever cheese you want. I'm using Swiss on one and Gouda on the other. Oh hell yeah. Whatever grill or oven that you're using, you're going to be doing this about 350. You put it all together, put it into a pan, and then you're going to pour over that butter poppy seed dressing. And then you're going to cover that up, or like I did, hit it up with some Uncle Steve's smoke bomb all over the top of that. Cover it with aluminum foil, put it in your grill, your oven, whatever you're doing, 350, about 15 minutes. Then you're going to pop that open. Cheese should be melted very well, and you want to crisp up the top of those buns. Oh hell yeah.
Give me a hell yeah!
Go a little bit longer. Shut that down. We got about 5 more minutes. That cheese will be totally melted. Pull that aluminum foil off, and then we'll get those tops browned up. Oh hell yeah. Oh hell yeah. Easy cook. Smells delicious. This is Swiss. And the Gouda. Ah, the smell. Hell yeah. Just pull it off. Ham and Gouda cheese slider. Oh hell yeah.
I said give me a hell yeah!
Oh hell yeah. That is rocking and so easy and quick to do. Look at that. Go make yourself some of these ham and cheese sliders, whatever cheese you like. Damn. Just look at that pile. Damn. It's a quick and easy meal, easy to do, awesome tasting, and if you're in a rush to make a good dinner, hell yeah, make ham and cheese sliders any day of the week. Now these ham and cheese sliders, you can do many different ways. You can do as much ham as you want, as thick or thin as you want, any kind of cheese. Dump whatever you want on it because it helps crisp it up. So the bottom of the buns came out nice and crispy. The top as well. So that butter is key. 1 stick of butter, and then about 1/4 of an onion diced up finely. Throw that in there, and a couple squirts of mustard. You warm that up, whisk it up, and then once you get this all assembled, you're gonna pour that all over the top, and poppy seeds in there as well. Yeah, you could do anything you want with this. It's so versatile and delicious. So damn straight. You get a dipping sauce for it, whatever you want, like a honey Dijon with a little heat to it. Oh, hell yeah. So get out there, get cooking. Hell yeah, have a damn good time. Cheers.
I said give me a hell yeah!
So when you get these assembled into a pan, you want to pour over that butter poppy seed oil dressing. What would I just calling it? I thought I just had a name that worked. Get your grill up to 350, your oven, whatever. You're cooking indirect. Get these assembled into a pan, and then pour over that butter poppy seed mixture. Oh, hell yeah. Cover it up for about 15 minutes. Pop the aluminum foil off when you're done, and let it go for another couple minutes. That'll crisp the tops up, make them brown. Oh, nice. Hell yeah.